What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and this middle of the day market update. I wanted to make in the weekend, alright, kind of talking about Bitcoin. So far we've had actually more volatility than I expected on a Saturday after a week like we had last week. But just wanted to give you my thoughts kind of on the markets, and then I wanted to focus a little bit more on altcoins. And some altcoins opportunities today, because weekends, sometimes it's better than other times, but weekends can actually be pretty good for trading altcoins. So that's what we'll focus on as well. For now, my outlook on the market is still, like, if you did not watch my video, it's still the same, which is that I think we have recovered very nicely from last week. And I think in general, the bearish pressure that we saw, especially for altcoins, was a bit of an overreaction to the FOMC. And then yesterday with some better economic data, at least for crypto, that's fine. But I do think that if you take a look at the 12-hour time frame, mainly for Bitcoin, for example, I do think we have lost the uptrend which we were in, and therefore we can also still drop down lower. Now, for now, the big question is all right, well, was this the bottom, and will we revisit that and consolidate, which would be very bullish? Or is this just the start of a trend shift, and can we still drop down into a further level right here between 89 and 86,000 for Bitcoin at least? And at this point of time, both of those scenarios are still on the table, all right? So be aware of that. We can still drop down lower. But it will depend very much on how we react to that level between 95 and 92,000. And I have to say, so far, it looks like, especially when you see the strength coming from a level like 96,500, it looks like this is the bottom for some time, and that we can consolidate here, which is great. And the same for altcoins. I mean, you can see with altcoins on the 12-hour time frame, this is the total 3 index. You can also see that we actually had a major bearish breakout, and right now the question is this the start of a downtrend into like the 800 billion 750 billion level for the market cap for altcoins, or is this also the start of some sort of a consolidation, which would be better and which would be bullish? So we'll have to kind of wait for that. So can we drop down lower? Yes. The early signs, though, suggest that we will not drop down lower, and that this was the bottom, and that we might revisit the bottom, but that we will not drop down lower. I'm going to turn up the volume a little bit, so turn your volume down a bit if you don't want to hear my voice too loud. So now talking about altcoins. Now, first of all, the altcoin I wanted to talk about is a favorite, I think, under my community at least. And that is XRP. I think XRP here, first of all, it's holding on relatively well. And I also think on the lower time frames here, it's actually, look, it's at the bottom of the range here. At this level at 2.2, I think if we can actually get some sort of a sign of strength, this actually looks like a good buy area, where you can actually buy XRP and ride it all the way up to the top of the range again for a 15% move. So that's an opportunity. For now, I think it's too early, all right? I think we need to get a little bit more, like I said, confirmation of strength coming from this support, and then this looks quite good. But XRP in general looks good. I mean, even if we fail to hold this level, then we still have major support, and not too far down. The same kind of goes for Athena. Athena right now is at a very strong support level at the 382 fib around 1.05. Same thing, if we can actually get some sort of bottom in price action, I think this looks great, all right, for some sort of a move, potentially into the top of the range again right here between 1.2 and 1.3 for a potential 10-20% move. But again, the markets right now actually are quite weak, very correlated, quite weak, especially Athena. So again, with this, like, a lot of altcoins technically look quite interesting, but wait for some sort of a bottom confirmation. So let's say a bit of a spike, or a 4-hour time frame close above a strong support level, or potentially some momentum coming in, or the volume increasing while we hold the level. Those are all indications that the bottom is in. So wait for that. Looks interesting, not interesting enough right now. There's a couple of shit coins that are also doing well. Don't want to spend too much time on that. Phantom was showing some momentum, but Phantom, I'm not sure if I completely like Phantom here. I don't think so. It could be interesting, but not right now. I personally thought Sui was also a great opportunity around 4.5, 4.4. If we can again find some strong touch, but it looks like we've actually found that. And what more do we have right here? Potentially gold, like 50 cents for gold is a very strong support level, as you can see. So I think spot, this is fine, but I would leave some USDT to DCA a bit lower. Live pair, no, not so much. A gold, no, not so much either. No, I think that's it for now. There's a couple of coins that are still fairly interesting, but those coins I think are best to focus on right now. So yeah, that's the update I wanted to give you for today. Hopefully it helps for trading and finding strong coins, but also for your thoughts about the market and the potential development of the market. Let me know down in the comments. Make sure to join the Discord and the Telegram groups if you want to remain in contact, because the YouTube comment sections are a disgrace. Too many bots, but hopefully I'll see you there. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend and bye.